kind of brought you into the mentality of what Shaolin should be? I love it.
Well, you know, Shaolin is as we said in the last time, it's a state of mind.
It is.
It's a state of mind, and I never looked at Shaolin or myself as being this person that was going to go out there and make money, beating people up or doing something corrupt, which, you know, I've had a lot of opportunities to do that. I looked at it more as a way of eventually, you know, from being so young and to going through all the many phases of what it was, to really being a character builder. And the more you connect with your body, if you look at your body as a temple, instead of something that you're just using. And I don't think people realize that we're just using our bodies. Like, you know, you may use it, you may fall in love with somebody, but you're using that, also the part was the first sexual appeal of falling in love with them, the physical part of that. And then, or if your body is not performing the way it should be performing, then it becomes an inconvenience. Like if you're sick, all of a sudden, it slows you down. And I can look in a mirror, and I can see myself in the mirror, and really physically, I don't see nothing that's that great, you know? But yet maybe through the eyes of somebody that loves you, they see something that's great, because they're looking kind of beyond that. They're looking, they feel emotion, they feel, you know, a chemical, maybe a biological, or you know, just an overabundance of love energy for that person that kind of blanks everything out because you just love the person. And when I look at the body as a temple, I look at it as a vessel that's taking us from one place to the other. So Shaolin to me became a way of, you know, we try to disconnect the spirit. We try to disconnect the soul, which we don't even know what that is. It's just names that we give it. What is spirit? I don't know. It's something I'm learning about. We try to disconnect everything, but we try to disconnect ourselves from the things that are happening in society. You know, the bad things that happen to people. But we don't realize we are the system. We have a responsibility to that system within ourselves and within the world. It's what you put into it that's going to make the difference. So you can't say, well, I hate my body, or I hate the way I look, or I abuse my body, or I do these things. It's all connected. So, you know, our chemistry, our biological chemistry, our genetics, our emotions that release certain chemicals from us, which cause us to react certain ways, is all part of our body temple. And the Shaolin is one way, if it's not for entertainment purposes. There's a part that can be for entertainment, running a business, but there's a private part of it. And if it's used to amalgamate all of these things together, for one to realize that you can't dismiss the body. You can't lock up your dragon. You can't put it away. It has to be something you have to amalgamate all together. It's character building, which allows you to face certain spiritual realities that you don't want to face. Truths that you don't want to face. You hear that saying, the truth will set you free. But it sets you free because it brings you into another level of understanding. But you have to burn off that old truth. And that truth is usually something you don't want to hear. Something you don't want to face about your nature. And the Shaolin to me became something different than just being able to, you know, prove yourself to somebody. It really became character building, allowing you to move in a direction that allowed you to face certain truths about yourself in life that you normally wouldn't want to face. Whatever that truth may be. It could be about religion, it could be about love, it could be about your spiritual, what you originally started, facing the truth of what you originally started and realizing that you moved beyond that, or that now you don't longer want to hold on to that. You need all of that has to come together. And physically, why you have this body, it's something you shouldn't discard. It's something you should use at whatever stage it is, wherever you are, and however you can develop it.